It's 8:45 GMT. It's breakfast time. Among the many men I've tried dealing with, Nyadwara has been this since. It's not complicated when it comes to food. It's long since I thought like I can do but I was. But since I started staying with Nyadwara, this is his best. I told him like the very first day I wanna go buy some tomatoes, and he said, "No, I want just some boiled and some just add some salt." So if you don't want a man who's complicating your life food wise, why don't you try on your dad one man? If you marry a Kiambu man, mi Kiambu, wale wanawake nimekaa nao wa home, wanawake hata inabidi tu uende ukaibe kama hajacha budget na anataka chakula tamtam, so inabidi umeenda sokoni, ati ni saa ya kuhesabu ama anauza, unapita na ndania, unaweka kwa matiti, unachukua hoho unaweka na huku kwa panti, umwimbie vitu kwa soko ndio kuja mtu umpikie chakula kiko na viungo. Maringo na haachi pesa. So I'm feeling like happy. I'm not dealing with man is complicating all. Mwanaume ati anaweza ni force ati hata naenda kuchukua vitu za mama sokoni kuja nimpikie chakula kiko na viungo. It's what he likes. And yeah, don't give up. There is somebody for everybody. I really don't like these proud men who are making your life difficult or complicated. Ati kila dakika unawaza tu vile utampikia chakula kinakaaje. I think he's easy. When I did put some FP, I was not sure if I wanna stay, but kama mambo ni hivi, I feel like I wanna stay. Because life is not just about living for money. There is some other areas of life we need to explore. So I want a man is it for me. And there is it's bad and some milk. If it's not milk, it's some sugarless tea. It just have some more milk, a little water, and then some tea leaves, and that's how he just wants it. He's still fair, man.